Today's 2-minute tech tip is how to embed Twitter in your Google site. So on my website I have this embed and I can click there, but I need to either embed by URL or embed code. With Twitter you can't just embed by URL. So what we do is we go to Twitter, we get our URL from the website, and then we go to a site called publish.twitter.com and we paste in our Twitter URL and hit enter. And then here are your options. Do you want a Twitter button where someone can tweet out, or do you just want the embed timeline? I want this timeline. So when I get that and I choose that, it's going to give me some embed code. I copy this embed code and then I go back to my website and select embed code and paste it here. When I click next, it's going to show me what it looks like, and I can even scroll and see. And I click insert and it automatically pops it in there. You can resize it. You can move it around wherever you want it to be on your website. And that's the quick and easy tip for embedding your Twitter feed on your website. If you need help with this or any other part of Google Sites, just let me know. Have a great day.